Beautiful friends, welcome. Welcome to this meditation and activation. Let's get started by cleansing and clearing the space. Next, we will activate our water. This is with Masaru Emoto's work on positive emotions and its impact on the water molecules. First, we're going to charge the water with appreciation. Next, we will charge the water with self-love and love for others from the heart space. And lastly, we will charge the water with gratitude. So before and directly after this meditation and activation, make sure you consume all of the water that has been positively charged with your emotions. Next, I want to mention that I have the music of 528 hertz playing. This is a DNA repair and nerve regeneration frequency. So that's what you'll hear in the background. That helps to bring all of these energies and frequencies together for the most positive benefit for your body, your spirit. Next, we are going to be in Thunderbolt pose, Vajrasana. You're going to sit on your shins with your toes pointing directly behind you, your thighs aligned directly in front of you. You're going to seat your shoulders and your pelvis directly over your ankles. You want to sit straight and you want to pull up, shoulders down, collarbone up, spine straight. This helps to align all of the meridian points to increase the flow of the energy and the cerebral spinal fluid in the spine. And that's what we will be working with today in this activation. We're also going to incorporate the Gyan Mudra, just lightly touching the tip of the index finger to the thumb. We're going to incorporate a breath work. We're going to inhale passively and exhale forcefully 2 times as long as the inhale. So you're going to inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. You're going to start to feel some vibrations in the core of your body, in your solar plexus chakra, and down into your sacral chakra, in between those chakras. So we're going to practice this, and then we're going to visualize a golden fire coming from the spinal region. And I like to envision this coming from the spinal region up through the top of my head, and then down the front, and then around the body, touching the tips of the toes and back up the spine. So we're going to do this with the mudra. We're going to incorporate this. We're going to take 30 breaths per minute. So that is 2 seconds per breath. So we're going to inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. We're going to do this 30 times in a minute. Keep going. You make it a little lightheaded. If you feel lightheaded and you start to get dizzy, you may stop. Now take 3 deep cleansing breaths. Now I want to shift. Now we're going to de-escalate the energy, and we're going to take 3 short breaths and then 1 long breath. So 3 short inhales, 1 long exhale, and as we're doing that, we're going to tap our fingers lightly. We're going to inhale, open our fingers, exhale 3 short breaths and tap the fingers 3 times, and then 1 long breath, press and hold. Open, inhale, 3 short exhales, tap, 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 1 long exhale, hold. Inhale, open, tap, tap, tap. Inhale, open. As you are tapping, breathing, and tapping, visualize your DNA strands circulating in a spiral clockwise motion and a blue-white flame emitting from your DNA. This is going to activate your DNA and allow the frequency of the music to heal and repair your DNA as well as your nerves. Keep practicing that until you feel you have mastered the rhythm of the breathing and the mudra, as well as the visualizations. And incorporate this into your practice as you feel it is needed. And that concludes the demonstration of this activation. Please leave me a comment on how this works for you. And until next time, namaste.